Hi friend, this is Audrey from Olymtech Group. We are professional school air compressor and air dryer manufacturer located in Guangdong, China. And now, today, I am in our air compressor factory and I will show you our air compressor factory. So you can see that this is our daily working life. Now we are loading the container to Malaysia. This is the 14-feet container, so come and have a look. Because all the air compressor we ship to the overseas market will have the paywood case package. So come and have a look our paywood case package. Because we have a rich experience to export the air compressor and air dryer, so we know that some country they will have the import standard. The wooden case must be the paywood case or the after the fumigation. So usually we will use the very strong and high quality case to ensure, although it is the long-term transportation, but also know the damage. And the case also we can put 2-layer or 3-layer. So you can see it is very strong. All we do, we want to help our customer to save the ocean cost. So every time we will fulfill the whole container. And this is, I think, is the 100 horsepower air compressor. So today, the container we will ship to the Malaysia. And we also will fulfill the container because many friends know that recently now the ocean cost is very expensive. So what we do is we will help our customer or the distributor to fulfill the container to save the ocean cost. So you can see, you can come and have a look the situation, and we will have the college. Each container, we will have a college to follow the whole process. For example, we will send photo to our customer to report to them we already finished the loading. And after that, we also have the college to follow the document, the custom clearance document to give you the best service. So we already produced the air compressor more than 20 years and have more than 10 years experience to export the machinery to the overseas market. We are professional, so if you are interested and want to cooperate with us, welcome to send email to info@olymtech-cn.com. Now I will show you step by step and show you our factory of the school air compressor. We not only have the school air compressor, we also have the air tank, air dryer, and line air filter. But air filter and air dryer, it is in other factory. So in the maybe next live show or the next live show, I will show you our air dryer factory. So today, the school air compressor factory first. We are the biggest OEM school air compressor factory in China. So monthly output for our school air compressor is 4,500 units to 5,000 units per month. So we have a very strong capacity to produce the air compressor. But of course, because the Chinese New Year is coming, so we need to stock a lot of air compressor to ensure we can offer to our distributor and dealer at once. So you can see here just one part of our stock machine. Usually we will stock the 10 horsepower to 100 horsepower school air compressor in our factory. And our safety line is the 3,000 units. That means if our stock quantity is lower than 3,000 units, we need our staff to OT every day to give us more and more machines to stock here. And then ourselves, we can promise to our customer to offer to them. Of course, now you see here, all is for the domestic market. For the overseas market, because different voltage and different color are required from our customer or distributor. So we will produce for them after we get the order. Now you can see in here there are many different kind of the color. You will see that we have the blue color, we have the white color, yellow color, orange color. So this is our standard color. If you want other color, we also can do for you because we are the OEM factory. So also this color, the light blue color. If you have your own color, we can offer to you because we are the OEM factory. Of course, we need the MOQ if you want to change the color. For the MOQ to change the color is 10 units, allowed to mix model. Of course, we also can paint your logo on our machine and change the logo. Our MOQ is 5 units. Now the air compressor we stock in here is the 380 volt, 50 hertz and 3-phase. And in the global, there are many different kind of the voltage. Other voltage we also can offer, but of course the delivering time will be different. For the normal 380 volt and 50 hertz 3-phase, we need about 20 days to produce. And other voltage, so please inquire from us. Usually it's the 15 to 16 days something, yes. So, and the second is all we use, you can see that all we use is the top 3 quality, the spare part supplier. So as a factory, we need to ensure the product quality, right? Because we know that actually the air compressor, the price is not high. But if the air compressor has some problem, that will make the boss or make our dealer headache. So we pay attention to the quality. The first one, we choose a very good quality spare part supplier. Usually we will choose the top 3 in the market for our supplier. And also after we got the material, our QC department, they will check each part. After they pass our standard, we will get into our warehouse. And after that, after we assemble the machine, we will have the testing for each one of the air compressor. So one kindly remind, after you get the machine, you can check in our controller. The total runtime, you will see at least 2 hours for the whole machine testing before we are delivering. All we do, we want to ensure the quality and offer the good quality to you. So for our air compressor power range, we can offer from 5.5 kilowatt to 215 kilowatt. And we also have different series. For example, the normal fixed-speed screw air compressor, belt-driven, direct-driven, and also very popular in the market, permanent magnet energy-saving screw air compressor. And we also have the 2-stage screw air compressor, which one can give you the bigger air capacity. And also we have the 4-in-1 type screw air compressor in different pressure, 8 bar or the 16 bar, 16 bar, special design for the laser cutting machine. Yes. So usually we will stock is our normal standard machine, 10 horsepower to 100 horsepower. Now you see here, friend, this is our factory and this is our finished machine warehouse. So you can see here just a small part of our machine, not too much in here. But we will ensure our stock in the factory not less than 3,000 units per day. If less than this quantity, we will ask our staff to OT. Actually, now we OT every day, until to the Chinese time, 10 p.m. every day. What we want to do is offer the machine to our customer at once. So we have the capacity to offer the big quantity machine to you. Yes. So please follow me. I will show you more information. now, because our factory, it is not too big, but our sales volume is a lot. So ensure we have more machine can offer to you, more air compressor to offer to you. We will move to a new factory in 2021. The new air industry zone will more bigger and will have more workshop. And this workshop in here is our spare part warehouse. So maybe you ask that, wow, you have a lot of air compressor, and how about your price? Friend, please believe me, our price is very good in China if based on this quality, because you can see that we stock a lot of spare parts. Why we do like that? First one, we need to ensure we have enough spare part to do the production. And number two, we 15 kilowatt, we all stock here. The air and the motor, we all use the famous brand in China to ensure our product quality. So no matter for the production or for the after-sale service, we have the enough spare part to offer to you. So no need to worry that we just sell the air compressor but not offer the spare part to you to do the after-sale service. So no need to worry that, because we have the enough spare part in here. That side also is our spare part warehouse. So this whole area is for the spare part. We will stock in this workshop. Yes. So each part we will have a label and we will have the number. So all in our company system. So our management, it is in the system. Yes. Okay. Come and follow me. Yes. So friend, I'm Audrey from Olymtech Group. We are the professional school air compressor and air dryer manufacturer located in Guangdong, China. We are looking for the distributor, and we also sell to the direct user. If you are interested in it, and want to be our distributor, welcome to send email to info@olymtech-cn.com. For example, you can see here, now we have a container loading. Yes, we have a container loading to Malaysia. So we have a rich experience to export. We know what you want. This is the 14-feet container. Now we are loading. And this container our customer will get it very soon. Yes. And usually for our domestic markets, also very busy every day. We will have many kind of the car to deliver the machine to our domestic market. Okay, now camera please show here. Yes, it is very big size and strong. This is our 4-in-1 type. 4-in-1 type. This is our 4-in-1 type school air compressor in 16 bar. Special design for the laser cutting machine. So as you see, why we call it 4-in-1? Because it with a school air compressor, air tank, air dryer, and air filter back of our machine. Later I will show you. So this is the different from the normal 4-in-1 because this is the 16 bar special design for the laser cutting machine. Usually for the laser cutting machine, we'll use the oxygen or nitrogen, but the cost is too high, right? So now we will use the compressed air to instead of the nitrogen or oxygen to reduce your operation cost. Yes. So camera can come and check our quality. First, we make the case by ourselves so we can ensure it is very thick and very strong. Yes. And for the inside, the quality also very good, very smooth. And for the separator tank, we have the pressure gauge in here. Pressure gauge, I think not too much Chinese supplier, they will have the pressure gauge in the separator tank. But we also put in here because we need to ensure and want to show our customer what time they should change the separator. Of course, in here, we will have a controller to remind you to change. But this one also can show our user the situation of the separator tank. Yes. And the air dryer we use is the protection gas. So it is very strong one. I'm 117 and it is higher than me. Yes. So it is the very bigger one. Now we have a two size for the 16 bar school air compressor 4-in-1 type. 15 kilowatt and 22 kilowatt. So these two kind of the model already shoot for the normal laser cutting factory. Yes. So if you are interested in that, please send email to inform@olymtech-cn.com. We will get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget, our price is very good, very good. Okay. So please. So please come and have a look. Just now, this here is show you this machine is to our Colombia customer and it is ready to ship. So I also show you this also is the 4-in-1 type, but in the normal pressure A bar. A bar is true for the normal industry. Also 4-in-1 types. School air compressor, air tank, air filter, and air dryer and air filter. So you can see our design, it's look very smart and strong. And for the tank, we will have the pressure gauge in here, pressure gauge. Yes. And the dryer operation also very easy, just one button. And here with a digital controller to show you the situation of the air dryer. Yes. And each 4-in-1 school air compressor will have 3 pieces air filter. Okay, be careful. Grace, be careful. The A-bar 4-in-1 school air compressor, we have 3 pieces line air filter. But for the 16-bar 4-in-1 school air compressor, we have 4 pieces line air filter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see that every day it is too busy. We have a lot of forklift. Yes. So this is our daily life. You can see that it is too busy for the production, for the delivery. Yes. So not only today, every day we are like that. If you are interested in our school air compressor, please send email to inform@olymtech-cn.com at once. We are the biggest OEM school air compressor factory in China. We can offer you good quality and good price air compressor. Okay, so just now we're talking about the 16-bar 4-in-1. We will have 4 pieces line air filter. Why we design like that? Because we all know that in the laser cutting machine, there is a mirror. If the mirror with the oil, it is it will damage the laser cutting machine, right? So we ensure the outlet compressed air is clean and dry. So we use 4 pieces line air filter, special designed for the laser cutting machine to ensure we can offer the very clean and dry compressed air to you. So all these machines are ready. I think all these machines are ready. So now it's waiting to paint the logo and package, and then we can delivering. So all we stock in here, and it will delivery, I think maybe in these 2 days. And this is our, also is our popular model, 10 horsepower in permanent magnet motor. So you can see a small size, we can lay 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 layer. So all we stock here, yes. Come and have a look, continue. Just now we're talking about each air compressor. We will have at least 2 hours testing. So you can see this is our testing room. Yes, and this is the 15 kilowatt, 20 horsepower in the fixed speed direct driven school air compressor. Also very popular. First, the quality is very good. We use the good quality components. And for example, the Snyder contactor, polite controller, and the famous brand air and motor. Just now I touch here, it's still hot. It's still hot. So this machine just after testing, so I touch the pipe, the oil pipe is still hot. Now it's ready to package. We will clean it and package, and then we can deliver it out. So all the machines, we are after testing. Yes, after testing. And here, camera please, just here. Here also is our machine warehouse. We stock a lot in here. The machine warehouse. Yes. So we will package like that for the domestic market. We will stock like that. Yes, and also package with the frame. After that, for the overseas market, we will package with the wooden case, plywood case. Okay. Please come and have a look. Continue. Now our college is making the cotton, the south enclosure cotton. So please see that each door we will have the soundproof enclosure. Now you see that the thickness, I think about 5 cm something, 5 cm. So it can absorb the noise and offer you a very good noise level. This is finished. Yes. We have a special team, special to make the soundproof enclosure for each door. After that, they will put in each machine. So please be noticed that our monthly output is 4,500 units to 5,000 units. Every day, we will OT to the Chinese time, 10 p.m. to offer the machine to our domestic market and overseas market. Okay, so this warehouse is our main part, our assembly workshop. So in here we have a lot of the production line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think about 10 production line. 10 production line in here. So for each staff, we will have a training for them. We will have a training for them. And also, each 3 months, we will have the testing for them. If they are operation or the assembly, it is not past our standard, we will have a training for them again. So we need to ensure all our staff, they have a rich experience to assembly our air compressor. This is the separator tank. You can see our painting also very smooth. The painting is smooth. Orange color, blue color, white color, green color is our standard color. So if you want other color, you also can tell us, no problem. We can OEM to you. So here is our another production line for the 16 bar school air compressor, 4-in-1 16 bar. And also the small machine we will assemble in here. That one is the 22 kilowatt. So each production line we will produce at least about 20 units for the each production line. And each compressor, we will have the card. We will have the card to ensure we know that who is responsible for this air compressor. Yes. Now we're waiting for the forklift. This is our air filter assembly. So a very strong case. Inside is the air filter. We use all are the high precision air filter element. And the fiber is the import fiber, so it can get more dust. Yes. Okay. So maybe you will worry about that. We use the high precision air filter and oil filter and separator. Will our price very expensive? No. Because our price may be just a half or 1/3 of the American or European brand. So be our distributor, we will offer you more lower lower price for the spare part to ensure you will have a very good profit to do the after sale service. And the last workshop for our factory is the plate. We're making the case and the plate by ourselves. So 1 month we can also produce 4,500 to 5,000 sets for the case. So this is the laser cutting machine. Our laser cutting machine also uses our 4-in-1 16 bar screw air compressor. So the cutting smooth is very good. So friend, as you see, all in here, the equipment are making the plate. So maybe here the noise is very loud, but just have a look. Here I have a lot of equipment. For example, the laser cutting machine, the floating machine, and also the welding machine, and the painting machine, and the drying machine or the oven in this area. We produce the plates by ourselves, ensure the quality. Second, we want to reduce the cost. Yes. Compressor, please send email to info@olymtech-cn.com or now make a comment in the Facebook. Make a comment to us. We will have our sales team. The next time we will have more detailed live show our live show for each kind of the series product. Each product we will have an independent live show to show you what their sell points, what they are. Yes, please. Why you need to use them, and we also will tell you how to save the energy. So in the next live show, we will show you more information. And don't forget, if you are interested in our school air compressor, please send email to info@olymtech-cn.com. So we are Olymtech Group, the professional school air compressor supplier in Guangdong, China. Welcome to inquiry. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.